The universe is everything. From the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies.
There is so much about the solar system, the space, the galaxy, and the universe that is continually changing. We don't know anything about it yet. Starting from its expansion to energy and dark matter, the universe never fails to bewilder and baffle the astronomers. It is indeed composed of an infinite puzzle, contradictions, anomalies, and it's enigmatic. With a gazillion stars and galaxies and even planets in our very own solar system that are yet to be completely explored or studied, our scientists' knowledge of space is always evolving, and there is always something new and always some things to change. In this video, I'm going to talk about the wonders of our universe. Are you guys ready? Buckle up, because here are the 10 things you didn't know about the universe. By the way, make sure to click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our engaging videos, and use that trigger finger by smashing that like button. Now let's dive into it.
To thank you for watching this video, we're offering you an absolutely free training webinar. Do you want to learn the secret of improving all aspects of your life and unlocking what you're really capable of? The legendary Bob Proctor spent over 57 years learning this one thing and is hosting a free webinar where he reveals what he's learned and what actually works. He'll teach you the law of compensation, a secret only the mega wealthy know of but not taught in our educational system, and the impression of increase, the law of laws that will increase areas in all aspects of your life, whether it be in health, relationships, or wealth. Right now, the first 200 people to use the link below will get access to this free webinar. Now, let's get back to the video.
And number 1, did you know that it's very impossible to travel even to the nearest star? The universe's distances are completely puzzling and very unfathomable. We can easily calculate the feet and meters and the number of miles between objects or interstellar space, but there is possibly no other way for us to really take a hold on what the distance means. Proxima Centauri is our nearest neighboring star. It's about 4.2 light years away from us. The greatest velocity that any automatic rocket so far that has produced will travel at 430,000 miles per hour, and that is 119 miles per second. So, we know curiously asked, how long would it take for a rocket to land or reach the nearest star? Well, it is longer than human beings would have ever existed. At number 2, did you know that the universe could possibly be flat? Based on the density of the matter in the universe, the shape of the universe is influenced by the struggle between the tugging of gravity and the ratio of expansion. If the density of the universe surpasses a certain critical value, then the universe is closed, like the exterior of a sphere. This basically suggests that the universe is not infinite, but also has no end. In this matter, eventually the universe will stop expanding and will start to self-destruct or collapse on itself. Big crunch is what we call this event. If the density of the universe is lesser than the analytical density value, then the shape of the universe is an open-like shape of the exterior of a saddle. In this matter, the universe has no bounds and will continue to expand forever. And number 3, did you know that the gravity slows the passage of time? Albert Einstein proved that time runs steadily in a gravitational field compared to it does in an empty space. Every slab of matter makes its very own gravitational field, which results in a slower time in its vicinity. So the time slows down around the Earth's gravitational field. Every life on our planet has been inhabited in slow time ever since the birth of humanity. The timepiece on the surface of the Earth runs more steadily than the identical clock on a mountaintop or in a spaceship. If you live on the top of a mountain and a friend of yours lives near sea level, your friend will get older slightly faster than you will. At number 4, did you know that the universe has echoes of its birth? Light echoes left over from the Big Bang that created the universe 13.7 billion years ago is what the cosmic microwave background is made of. The Big Bang explosion's relic hangs around the universe as a pocket veil of radiation. The Planck, a European Space Agency creation, its mission is to map the entire sky in microwave light to disclose new clues on how the universe did begin. Planck's observations are the most exact views of the cosmic microwave background that is ever acquired. Scientists are anticipating the use of data from the mission to settle down the most debated questions in cosmology. One of which is, what happened immediately after the universe was formed? At number 5, did you know that the multiverse consists of an almost infinite number of universes? We actually live in 11-dimensional space. That is what string theory proposes. Well, you see, with the huge amount of possible arrangements for the hidden dimensions, as claimed by the theory, every arrangement builds a different universe. The amount of how many possible universes is 10 to the 500th power, of which our universe is only one. The physics law will give variety widely among these different universes. Other universes may have no galaxies or stars in them. Also, others may be on fire. In that many universes, probably there will be exact copies of our own universe, but possibly with differing histories and evolutionary outcomes. At number 6, did you know that the universe's growth spurt is accelerating? Mysterious dark energy is not the only thought to be driving the expansion of the universe. It emerged to be pulling the cosmos apart at a sharply increased speed. Two teams of astronomers announced that not only is the universe expanding in 1998, but it's accelerating as well. As the researchers stated, the further a galaxy is from Earth, the faster it is moving away. Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity also confirms the universe's acceleration, and recently, scientists have reanimated Einstein's cosmological constant to explain further the strange dark energy that seems to be preventing gravity and causing the universe to expand at an accelerating pace.
To thank you for watching this video, we're offering you an absolutely free training webinar. Have you ever wondered how to end procrastination and self-sabotage so you can unleash your full potential to live the life you deserve? #1 best-selling author and high-performance coach Peter Sage is hosting a free webinar where he'll teach you how to increase your wealth with less time and struggle, and also how to hyper-boost your growth and success so you can finally break out of any rut you find yourself in. Right now, Peter and his team are offering a free $100 gift to anyone who doesn't find his webinar as the best use of their time within the last 5 years. Now, let's get back to the video.
At number 7, did you know that the universe is really old? The universe began with the Big Bang, and this is estimated to be 13.7 billion, approximately years old, added or deducted 130 million years. Astronomers measured this figure by calculating the composition of the energy density and the matter in the universe. This enabled them to identify how fast the universe expanded in the past. As an outcome, researchers could turn back the hands of time and locate when the Big Bang happened. The time in between that explosion and now makes up the age of the universe. At number 8, did you know that the stars will disappear in the sky? The universe is continuously expanding. The curious thing about that expansion is that the further objects are from us, the faster they are retreating. To understand this more, imagine a balloon that is painted regularly with spaced dots. If the balloon inflates, the spots move further away from each other. Dr. Brian Greene, an astrophysicist, tells us that they are living in a very privileged age because we can look up into the night sky and see gazillions of stars. In the future, as expansion drives everything away from each other, this includes the stars. Astronomers will look into the night sky and see stars, only blackness. The expansion of the universe will have pulled the stars beyond our view. At number 9, did you know that the sunset on Mars appears to be blue? Just as colors are made more amazing and astounding in sunsets on Earth, sunsets on Mars are stated by NASA would appear to be bluish to human observers checking it from the red planet. The fine dust makes the blue near the sun's part of the sky to reveal, while in normal daylight it makes red planet's familiar rusty dust color the most visible to our eyes. At number 10, did you know that the universe is getting bigger? Astronomer Edwin Hubble made the revolutionary discovery in the 1920s. He stated that the universe is not fixed, but rather it's getting bigger. But it has long thought that the gravity of matter in the universe would steady this expansion or even cause it to shrink. The Hubble Space Telescope in 1998 studied very distant supernovas and discovered that a long time ago, the universe was expanding more slowly than it is. This confusing discovery implied that dark energy, an inexplicable force, is driving the accelerating expansion of the universe. Even so, dark energy is thought to be an unusual force that is pulling the cosmos apart at ever-increasing speeds. It remains one of the greatest mysteries in science because its detection remains elusive to scientists. Have you heard about these things in our universe before? Did you learn something from this video? We want to hear your thoughts about it. Let us know in the comments section down below. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we continue giving you the best contents. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.